Well, I'm Alan Stuckey.
And I'm Marilyn Schulteis, and we are Sammy's owners.
He's born on April Fool's Day, April 1st, and we've got him when he was a puppy, and we've had him with us for a long time. He's a good friend of ours. Well, we knew you could feel a lump on his leg, and a few other lumps too, but there was one especially big one on his leg. After a bunch of testing, they could tell that yes, it was cancerous and it would be good to take it off, and that they thought they could take it off in a pretty successful manner.
I am Dr. Megan Bright, and I'm a veterinary oncologist at the Blue Pearl in Renton, and I am Sammy's cancer doctor. The cancer Sammy has is a soft tissue sarcoma, and that is a tumor that just comes from the connective tissue under his skin, and it just makes a big mass in that area.
In his case, it's a superficial soft tissue sarcoma on his limb, and the SIVO device currently is being used in soft tissue sarcoma and in lymphoma. My name is Jessica Berthoud, and I am a senior scientist and veterinarian here at Presage Biosciences. I lead the Woof for the Cure canine clinical studies. The goal of the Woof for the Cure study is to show that we can bring the technology into a clinical setting, that we can inject minute, very small doses of chemotherapy into a tumor, and that we can evaluate the drug responses using our software.
Dogs actually make a really good model for cancer in people, so they get cancer naturally just like we do, unlike a lab rat who's given cancer. So it's a little more natural way to study and test things out. Not only does it benefit people when dogs participate, but it can also come back and benefit those dogs, so we can develop new treatments for canine cancers as well as human cancers.
So we chose to participate in the study because Dr. Megan Bright suggested he would be a good candidate, and she described it that it would help other dogs and eventually evolve into helping humans, and so we thought, well, of course we would like to participate.
Each canine patient that has been enrolled in our clinical study has taught us something critical about how the device works, how we can integrate using the device into the clinical setting, and also how to best analyze the data. And really, most of what we do in the human clinical trial now is based on lessons that we learned in canine patients like Sammy.
You know, it's a month ago, and other than the fact that one leg is still kind of shaved, you'd hardly even notice anything. It's healing up, he's got all the energy he had, and it seems like they did a really good job taking it off. He's doing great.